So yes, you heard the thumbnail correctly, which is how to stay reliant, as a business owner in these tough times, in this game of business, right? So I'll be detailing out to you all the fundamentals when it comes to taking your business journey way ahead in these tough times. So make sure that you listen to this in power packed video till the end to get tons of value-added information and take your journey way ahead equally as well. Yeah. And stay till the end because there's also a gift which is there if you stay till the end to get the benefit out of it as well. And make sure that you stay till the end and grab the gift equally as well, which would a market value of nothing less than 5,000 once, right? So which anyway you'll be going to get if you stay till the end at a very surprise gift for that matter. So hi, this is Avik Aviksa, business coach and a consultant equally as well, and I'm in the journey right now in the mission of building better business owners like you, and building better teams, healthy and sustainable scalable business equally as well. Yeah. So and I'm also a founder of Better Business Better Life. Having said that, has lived my own journey of going through the curves of 4 different business ventures in different career stint of my career graph as well, followed by a corporate decade journey as well, which is more than 2 decades as such. So just to summarize, the learning which has helped me of building such 4 businesses to surrender to all my best to the best mentors is what has allowed me to keep moving ahead the ladder and follow my mission right now, which I am in the space right now to help business owners like you to take the journey way ahead. So listen to this video very carefully and listen to the end so you get enough of insights and purely understands what is your next call of actions as such. So look what I mean when we talk about situations like pandemic. So the first question which comes is whether it is pandemic or it's not pandemic, what is it that you would have taken a call to make your business to the next level if somewhere or the other you have been facing any sort of tough times in your business, whether it is in terms of your cash flow, whether it is in terms of your operation, whether it is in terms of your sales. So what could be some of the ways that you could have taken some calls in your business as a business owner, out of your experience, out of your the time, the journey that you've invested in your business? Well, naturally, the first and the foremost things which comes on the table is 2 golden words, which is sustainability or susceptibility and adaptations or adaptability, isn't it? Anywhere, whenever there is a limitation, there is a barrier which comes on table in terms of the progressive path. The real science which comes on table is the science of adaptability, is the science of susceptibility. Yeah. And when you adapt things, that's where you come to the second path fold of the ladder or of the journey in tough times, is the journey of unlearning certain things and learning new things, or learning new capabilities, new business skills, new ways of approach to business, new ways of defining your business. And those all comes with sheer challenging test times to any business owner for that matter. So the only way that you move ahead, and this has nothing to do with pandemic, I mean, this is in general as well. The only way to move ahead of any curve situation which has hit the ground is when we adapt to the situations. And we can only adapt best to the situation provided we are ready to unfold ourselves and mold into the journey of relearning and understand those nuggets of approaching business with a different perspective and into a different world altogether, isn't it? And that's exactly what it is required at this point of time. So preferably what you bring on the table is all based on your past experience. However, what the market demands right now is not the past experience. It's something which comes with the new approach to business. So where you need to unfold those path of unlearning and getting those relearning mode, and understanding those new capabilities and new skills to develop your business approach, to develop the way you should get back to your business and bring your business to the next level. So what I mean in short is the path of susceptibility and adaptability, which helps you to bring the path of path of learn and relearning the new capabilities and skills which are required to give a better shape to your business. Now, having said that, the next question which comes on table, once you acquired those new business capabilities and path skills and the new approach to business, what really matters is is uh, is to make sure that is it making any difference in terms of your marketplace or your end audience. So see, look, what I mean by that is every business has its own audience. Every business has its own uh, market. Every business has its own segment. Now, what is it that you are serving to your segment audience or to your segment market? Or how well are you serving your segment market? Or is it the same approach by which you used to serve your market 10 years back? You're serving the same approach to the market right now as well. So that's my question, which comes back to you. If you're not serving a market right now properly, market will also not reciprocate to you properly as well. So essentially what matters is how you serve your market and what you serve your market. Because when you're able to serve your market with true intentions and with true impact, it has hardly to do whether it is pandemic or whether it is non-pandemic. Your audience will anyway going to pay you for the service that you're offering to them, isn't it? Because the real game changer is when you make your audience the services or product that you're putting it across being sold to them. Unless the product or services is being sold to them, the transformation is nowhere on the table. It is just talks and information, isn't it? And there are multiple players in the market right now who are just talking information. Business is, of course, information. However, with that, it also comes with applied science. It also comes with applied strategies, process, systems. And that is something that you need to gain. And that is something you need to understand and also apply, and make it very sure that in this tough time, whichever industry that you belong to, whichever line of product or service that you belong to, your domain, your industry, your expertise, your niche, you have to be the best in your industry, which means your product and services, as long as it is making an impact to your end audience, like I just shared quite a few minutes back, it doesn't matter whether it is pandemic or non-pandemic, your customer, your client will anyway going to buy it from you, because end of the day, it is also their ecosystem at risk. If they are not getting transformed with your services, their ecosystem is also not getting leverage, because end of the day, people don't buy product from you. People buy the better version from you. Yeah, yes, you heard it right. People don't buy product from you, they buy the better version of themselves from you. So as long as your product and services are making that end difference in your client's ecosystem in terms of the service, value, impact, additions, the entire purpose is solved. The entire game is solved. You just need to ensure that you come up with the right product segmentation, the right approach, the right services. That's what it will make in all the difference. And it has nothing to do that whether it is Omicron, whether it is pandemic, or this and that. These are just a part of the story, and this will keep continuing. The question is, are you fixed with your new capabilities? Are you right in your approach of business? Do you have the right business model with you? Is your product and services making an impact to your end audiences? If you have right and specific answers to this groundly knotted questions, the ball is with you. Yeah. So I'm sure this has given you enough food for thought, for this entire video to grab the entire shell. So do watch this video again and again. Though I have spoken it at a very random pace, because I have been talking this over thousands of business owners and interacting with whomsoever, and also would be launching my program soon as well. But having said that, with the fact that as business owners, if you are missing on the science and education of business, you're missing the whole game. It's not about those transactional dealing. It's more about the effort game and the learning game. What is it? It is the effort game and the learning game, which means in these tough times, as in terms of your new capabilities and skills, what are your effort game or your effort in the business? And to do those new effort or new activities, or rather new business activities, what are those learning games or the learning goals that you're putting it across on the table? So match up these space, match up these definitions, and then see where you stand in terms of taking the journey way ahead. So the competition is nowhere with any market. The competition is solely with you. It is your seriousness in the business which will take the ball to the next level. Yeah. So with that, I come to the end of this video, and I'm sure this has given enough food for thought. So do watch this video again and again. And like I shared that if you stay till the end, you'll get a gift as well. So download the link below, which is shared below as well. And this will allow you to get my copy of my best book, which is definitely again in marketplace, which will worth nothing less than 5,000 rupees. In this video, since you're still till the end, so that comes to you absolutely free of cost. Once you download, fill up all the details and get the copy as well, which will help you to keep getting continuous insights from my end when it comes to all such business communications way ahead equally as well, and which will help you to address all your business journey pain points equally as well. Having said that, also like I mentioned that do join the Telegram link or group given as well, which will also help to keep notifying all such critical business informations or business insights to share with you, and that will help you to gain the better momentum equally as well. Yeah, way ahead. So till then, Avik here signing off as of now. I'm sure this has given enough food for thought. So just make sure that you should be able to go through it again and again and get the best out of it as well. Till then, Avik signing off here as of now. Look forward to hear from you in the next video. Stay tuned and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye.